follow a step-by-step approach. Objective: we need to open all hidden sheets together. In normal practice, we don't have any shortcut to open all hidden sheets together in Excel. If you go to Excel, if you wanted to open all hidden sheets together, is not possible. You can only do one by one. Second thing is adding few statements. So start creating the code. Sub unhide all, then declare a variable. How to declare a variable, why to declare a variable, all these basics were discussed in earlier videos. You can just see, I'll give the link in the comment section. Dim ws as worksheet. So I'm declaring a variable for a object, and then I'm giving the location of the worksheet, basically the object hierarchy. So for each ws in active workbook dot worksheets. So the worksheets is located in active workbook and worksheets. In the bunch of worksheets, this worksheet is located. So that is what I'm trying to say here. And what is the argument here? What need to happen? So if you look at the earlier code, in this code we are trying to tell that either it has to be visible or not to be visible, to be hidden or not to be hidden, but to be hidden or not to be hidden, to be open kind of. So visible is equal to false means it should be hidden, visible is equal to true is it should be unhidden. But we are actually telling there a specific sheet. So for each specific sheet this code will be easy, but now here we have to open all the sheets, we have to unhide all the sheets together. So for that we need to have little advanced statement. So what has to happen? So ws, that is worksheet visible, that is need to happen. So instead of here true or false, I am telling Excel sheet visible. So if I have to say Excel sheet hidden, I can just simply, you can just rather you have to relate, then only you'll understand the earlier, you have to relate earlier code, so that then only you'll understand in a better way. So what I'm trying to say is W was visible. This is a fact. Whether this fact is there or not there, like whether it is true or false. If you want it to true, means it has to be visible, you need to say Excel sheet visible, and if it is false, it has to be Excel sheet hidden. So basically we are changing the earlier arguments to a different inbuilt arguments. So here I want ws as visible, that is worksheet visible is true, so that means Excel sheet visible. Okay, now this action is only for one worksheet, so now our action is for all the worksheets in the workbook. So I need to create a loop, that is next ws. I think we have not discussed about loops in our basics. I'm going to discuss about it, but you can understand this code in a better way. Now our code is ready, very simple, right? And from this we can open, rather unhide all the worksheets together. Go to the workbook, go to macro, rather I'll create a button, insert, and then unhide all, Now I press unhide all button, all the sheets are unhidden. So that way we can approach VBA in a simple way. So basically you need to understand each step in a better way, each statement in a better way, and also you need to know what is the objective of the macro and how to approach the macro and all. So creating a VBA code is very easy process, and it's pure simple thing, but only thing is you need to have a lot of practice and understanding of Excel, and more important, understanding your data points and how to, what is the outcome is required for you is more important for you. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, please come back. In the next video, I'm going to explain how to open each worksheet and how to open only specific worksheets by name. This one message box will come and it'll ask you whether to open or not. You can say yes or no, and accordingly you can just step by step you can open each worksheet with a menu driven process. For that you need to watch these videos and I suggest that my earlier video and this video and coming video you need to watch together, so you'll understand, you can have a flow. So that is what I can say. And as usual, please practice, and please like this video, share, of course subscribe as well. Welcome back. In the previous video we have seen how to edit a recorded macro, rather VBA code, after analyzing the code to understand each statement in the code and eliminating the statements which are not required or not necessary. So in this video, let us get into next level to add a few more elements, like declaring a variable, adding few arguments. It's simple to make a useful code, rather more useful VBA code. So this may help you to think more practical towards VBA code. I suggest you all to watch this video along with previous video. Link I have given in the comments section, so that you can find a flow.